In this video we're going to be covering downloading Skyline Game Engine. So once you have the URL in your browser, we're going to go to Store, choose the version of what you want, and just click the free version, add to cart, checkout, fill in your details, payment method. It'll come up as free for the free version, otherwise you can buy it. Then once you've filled in your details and you've finished with the checkout process, go up here to your account, go to Downloads, select this button here to download. This button here is if you need to reset your serial number at any time. Once it's downloaded, double click. I'll have mine on my SSD. Install. And you'll go through the install process.